Hi, I am going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to make just simple edits on your WordPress Elementor theme. So here is your main dashboard of your website. So let's say we are wanting to go in here and make some edits. You'll click on the page that you would like to edit. And we're going to start off with making just simple text edits. But real quick, just to go over, when you scroll down, all of these boxes that are being highlighted are just content boxes. So again, with either text or images, whatever it may be. So that is the easiest way to see, hey, I need to fix the text in here. I need to click on, on this text box. So let's say we are wanting to add services we offer. You have two ways to do this. You can either add it directly on the page, or you can come over here to your left-hand side of your screen, and this is like your editing menu or your editing box, however you want to refer to it as. And then you can also make edits directly in here as well. So let's say we want to now get rid of that. And let's say I want to make it a little bit bigger. So we have our content, style, and advanced. You'll click on style. Here you can change any text color or size. Again, if you're needing to change the actual font itself, and two ways to change the size of the font. You can either drag and scroll, or you can just type in here directly. Put it back at 45. And then once you click out of it, those edits are complete in that section. So the next thing that we're going to go over is how to make changes to an image. So I'm going to click on this brain here. And then again, your navigation or your menu options over here are going to pop up according to what you're clicking on. So this image is already populated in the content. So again, let's just say I want to change it. So you're going to come over here to choose image. Let's say I want to do this brain. You can select that. And now it is going to be automatically changed to the settings that were in there before that was coded in. So you shouldn't have to worry about sizing if need be. But if you are wanting to make it smaller or larger, you're going to click on style. And again, you can drag here, make it smaller or bigger as needed. The next thing that we are going to go over is adding in a section. So if you're wanting to add a section in between items that are already coded in, you can come over here to the plus sign and add section. Or if you're needing to edit this section directly, you can like moving it if need be. So you can always click and drag to move. But I'm going to just go down here to the very bottom and show you how to add in a new section on your page. You're going to click on this plus sign, and then select your structure is going to pop up. And what this is representing is all of the different columns. These different columns, again, are already kind of pre-programmed into this theme. So you are able to again, kind of choose from the different options that are available. So I'm going to click on just a double column here. And from here, you're going to click on this plus sign. And let's say I want to add an image on this. You can either click and drag. I don't know why that didn't work. There we go. Or when you click on the plus sign, you can just come in here, and it is now going to be a full text box on this side. Click and drag it to this side. There we go. And then again, now we're going to go in and add an image. You'll click on choose image. I'm going to just select that one. And then again, you can come in and edit the text on this screen, or you can come over here into this text box and change it. either way, totally up to you. Again, if you're needing to change styles or anything, this is where you can do that as well. And if I'm needing to move this section in between, you'll just click and drag up to where you are wanting to move it to. So now let's say you finish making the edits on this page. You will come down here to this eyeball and click on that. And this is what it's going to show you on your website, either once it's live or if it's already live. This is what you're going to see. So when you scroll down, you can see that section that was added in there. And you can just click out of that directly. And then once you're wanting to save, you just go ahead and click update. So the next thing that we are going to go over is, let me get all the way out of here. I'm going to exit. If that pops up, that is just reminding you that any of the changes that you made are not saved on that page specifically. So the next thing that we're going to go over is how to add blog post. So you're going to go back to this main dashboard of your WordPress website, and you're going to go to post. So post, or just another word for blogs, you can click on that. And then you will see all of the blog posts that you already have on your website. And then once you're wanting to add a new one, you can just come in here, click add new blog post. And then you can just type in here directly with what you are wanting. And I'm just going to type ha ha ha. And after that, again, you can click in here to add media. Again, I would just, Elementor is great because it kind of just walks you through exactly what you need to do. Let's go in here, sorry. So again, if you're wanting to add an image, you can click and drag. If you're wanting to have the image be first, that's where that is going to go. And now you are editing exactly this new blog post here. And you'll do the same thing once all of that is completed. You always want to double check your work, make sure it's how you're wanting it by clicking on that eyeball there. And then once you're ready to hit publish, if it is a live site, once you hit publish, it is on your site for the world to see. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of this completely, leave, because I am not wanting this to save. And let's say, so now, if I want to get rid of it altogether, you can go ahead and trash it. Or if I'm like, oh no, I forgot to add something in, again, you're going to want to go in with edit with Elementor. If you are needing to add new media onto your website, so on this main dashboard, you'll click on media, add new media files, and again, it's going to walk you through either, you can click and drag and just drop it into it, or you can always go in and click on whatever you are needing to add and upload it there directly. And this is going to be accessible on all pages, on all blog posts to choose from. So you're not needing to add it in specifically for each page. Outside of that, let's look at see what else are we needing to review. Okay, so if you are needing to go see all of the pages that you have on your website, this is where that is going to be. And again, you can just click and edit exactly the pages that you are needing to edit there. If you are needing to do anything more in depth, again, you are always welcome to give us a call, and we're happy to help walk you through it, and or just send another kind of tutorial video to you specifically. But I hope that helps on just how to make a few simple edits within your Elementor WordPress website.